Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the keyboard. Safety first. Use a non-conductive mat and keep screws organized. Label them as you remove them. Once done, remove keycaps around the USB-C area with a key puller, then open the case using a plastic pry tool. You want clear access to the port. Make sure to photograph the PCB and connector orientation for reassembly. This saves time and prevents mistakes later, because tiny pins and shield tabs must return exactly where they belong. You now inspect the USB-C receptacle under magnification. Look for bent pins, lifted pads, or cracked solder joints. If pins are bent, gently realign them with fine tweezers, keeping pressure low so you don't rip pads off the PCB. Once aligned, test continuity with a multimeter. If solder joints look cracked, use a low wattage iron and thin solder to reflow those joints. Apply flux and heat only the joint briefly to avoid heat damage to nearby components. You reassemble the keyboard carefully, aligning shields and screw standoffs so the port sits square. Tighten screws evenly to avoid flex. Once closed, connect a known good USB-C cable and test both power and data. Transfer a file and confirm stable connection. If the port still fails intermittently, make sure to try 2 different cables and hosts before concluding. If problems persist, replace the entire USB-C receptacle or seek a professional. One key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.